you guys are going to get a lot of people that are like, oh, can I text you a picture? Can I just send you a picture so you can give me a better estimate or a closer estimate? Of course, but we need to make sure that we're explaining to these customers that pictures are still very deceiving. I booked a job once where it looked like a typical, just small pile of stuff. And then when the guy got there, it turned out underneath all that pile was another pile of stone and brick that the guy had dug out from his garden. Dude, that completely changes the estimate. You know this, but we have to make sure that we're explaining that to the customer over the phone. If someone's going to say, oh, it's just a pile of stuff. Let me send you a picture. Make sure that you say, okay, based on this picture, though pictures can be deceiving. I don't know what's under it. I don't know what's behind it. I'm not really quite sure exactly how big it is. It looked like it's going to be somewhere around this, but I really need to get out there and see what else is in that pile. Make sure you're being really specific with customers because you know they're going to hear what they want to hear. And, oh, you said 200. You said 200. Well, yeah, but I didn't know there was a big pile of brick underneath it, but you can't say that over the phone. So, and we want to be, customer service is very important. We want to be nice, but we still have to explain. So just make sure that you're clearly explaining to the customer that, pictures can be deceiving. This is what it looks like, but I'll get out there and I'm going to give you a firm quote once I get there and really take a look at this pile. Good luck out there.